to week 2, and congratulations on finishing the first week of the program. There was an awful lot going on that first week, so I hope it didn't overwhelm you. You do not have an assignment due this week, but what I want to look at first is we are going to have a webinar, and that information is in the announcements that I'm sending out. And we're just going to talk the big picture. There are 3 times we'll have webinars, and it's just a chance for you to talk to me and me to talk. Very informal, so take a note of that date. The other thing I'd like you to do is continue to look at the resources. There are so many resources out there, and it can be overwhelming. So spend some time touring the library, looking at the research guide for the EDD program or EDS, whichever. So take some time to do this. And I particularly think because this week you're going to be asked a question about a possible topic for your project, and this Problems of Practice PDF is really helpful, but it also can be overwhelming. So let me just talk, print this out, take some time looking at it. You are going to look at a problem of practice, and that's identified in different ways, but it's a performance gap between what you define as the ideal or desired outcome and the current reality. So it could be, as I talk about different examples here, from K-12 teachers to corporate trainers to instructional designers, but it has to be a problem that you can address within your locus of control. There are different things here. As I say, the more you get into the idea, the problem of practice, the more this will have impact on you, make sense to you. You'll continue to work on those you mentor. But for this week, week 2, the discussion is simply about brainstorming with me on possible ideas for your project. So read that, the problems of practice, and again, take some time, print this, read it, and get familiar with it. You'll be a lot more comfortable. The other discussion is a reaction to the webinar. No assignment this week, a webinar, 2 discussions, a good time to sit back and kind of dig deep and see what's going on around you. Congratulations on finishing the first week, and I look forward to continuing to work with you throughout this course.